Hi, I'm Mel. I first met Sharon when I attended her Grow Your Coaching Biz workshop. I was really impressed with Sharon's content, the way she provided practical steps to success, and also the information around mindset and how we operate as humans. From there, I decided to join Sharon's Master Coach program. For me, I was joining the Master Coach program because I was building my business and I felt that it was the right tool to help me move my business and build my business in the quickest way possible. And boy, did I get it right. In the Master Coach program, I have received so much more content and support than I even thought was included. What Sharon provides is just endless. She comes from a giving place, and all you have to do is reach out if you need anything additional. She is always ready to help, and she celebrates your successes. And the other beautiful thing about the Master Coach program is access to not only Sharon, but also all the other coaches. And so you end up with this beautiful network and community supporting you and helping you move forward. I have been able to build my business, and I still am actively involved in her Master Coach program because of the value that I'm still receiving today. And Sharon is funny. She will make you laugh. She is fun. And she will also kick your butt when it's needed. So if you are sitting there wondering what to do yourself a favor and sign up right now. You will be able to move forward with ease. Just do it.